Just a prompt, and done. You've just created a full animated movie completely free based on your own story and characters. Honestly, at first I thought it was fake too, but when I saw it with my own eyes, I was blown away. You can even make a live action film or any other style you like. There are no limits. On this platform, you can literally create a full-length movie or animation just by writing one prompt. The characters, storyboard, and video clips are all fully editable. And in the end, there's even a simple built-in video editor to finalize your project. Of course, you don't have to use it. You can just export the project as it is. To be honest, in the free version like Sora or other video generators, there will be a watermark on the final video. But if you like the result, you can remove it with a very small payment. Some parts of the platform are still under development and not perfect yet, but even with the watermark, the results are absolutely worth using. I'm Daniel, a 2D and 3D animator.
And I'm Ariana, a video editor and content creator. On this channel, we share our tips, tricks,
and experiences about making animations and videos,
especially with AI.
If you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us.
Go to the MovieFlow website and sign up using your Google account. You'll see a very simple interface where you can start your project just by typing a prompt. But first, make sure to check out the inspiration section. You can see what other users have created with this AI. It's a great way to get ideas and inspiration for your own prompt.
I wish something amazing would happen. Finn, what are we? How do we get back home?
What? No way out.
You'll also find different styles you can choose from. Now write your prompt. You can select any language you want, then choose the desired duration, or just leave it on auto so it determines it for you. Next, pick your orientation and click Generate to begin. As you'll see, it's truly amazing. Everything happens automatically. The script is written, the storyboard is created, and the dialogues and scene moods are generated. For each shot, the AI writes prompts for locations and characters, then generates them all precisely. You can even watch every stage being built in real time, including the character sheets. Once the storyboard is done, it moves on to video generation. You don't have to do anything and just sit back and enjoy watching the entire process unfold. On the right side, there's a chat box where you can track all the steps or even give feedback if you want to make changes, which is honestly incredible. In the final stage, the AI handles basic editing and sound design automatically. Of course, all of this is fully editable later, and I'll show you how. Some shots might not generate perfectly, and you'll need to regenerate them. You can also download individual shots or even edit them directly through chat. Your full video will be ready here.
You're the best friend anyone would ask for.
You can either download it or open it in the editor for final adjustments. In the next section, you can review each sequence, which is made up of several shots. You can add or remove shots, edit each shot's prompt, and change or regenerate characters. You can also add dialogues, voiceovers, and review your script, characters, and music. Once you click apply everything, all the shots in the final video moves into the editing workspace, and there you can rearrange scenes, cut clips, and add simple transitions. Some tools like effects, color correction, and advanced sound options are still coming soon, but the basics work fine. You can even ask the MovieFlow chatbot to make changes for you directly. My advice: if you get a good result, export the video and do your final touches in another editing software. Many of them are free. I added a few tweaks myself, and will show you the final output too.
Once upon a time, Lena and her little friend Mochi were caught in a storm.
You're the best friend anyone would ask for.
Lena felt hopeless and could only look at Mochi, who she loved so dearly. Then, all of a sudden, something amazing happened. With his magical powers, Mochi helped Lena get across the cliffs and stay safe. The love between friends can make the impossible come true.
I knew I could count on you.
Hope you found this helpful. And until next time, stay creative.